Okay, here's the good news and bad news. The good news is that I have not been to a school where kids would tamper with any of the fire alarms, like unscrewing them, taking them off the wall, painting them, smashing them, taking the strobe off of them, taking horn off of them, disabling the horn or the strobe on them, adjusting the volume, the pattern, the candela, or tone on them, cutting power to them. That is the good news. But the bad news is that when I was in elementary school, some kids pulled the alarm for fun. But other than that, my school's fire alarms were not tampered with. Bye.